Hello, kumusta? Thank you, Lord, for giving another day, and thank you for having a good health. Thank you for everything that we have. God will be guide and protect every day. Oh, whatever happened and whatever we do in this earth, that while we're still living in this worldwide pa kumbaga. Ayan yung ibon. Kasi meron akong nilalagay dyan na tubig at saka yung pagkain niya. Kaso hindi naman dyan pumapasok. Hindi ibig kong sabihin dumadalaw ba? Hindi naman siya ikukulong. Malaya lang siya. Pwede din siyang kaso nga lang mainit lang siguro. Ililipat ko lang kasi dito sa kabila. Magdepende. Tingnan mo siya. Ayan na. Ayan siya. Yun yung Friday, niya dito. Friday morning. It's a Friday morning. Diba? Mag-iingat kayo lagi. Keep safe lagi wherever you go, wherever you do. Nagja-jogging, nagpipiknik, nagsiswimming, o kaya yung ibang countries din, that weather, winter, ingat-ingat kayo, nag-i-enjoy sa snow, nag-i-enjoy sa pag tawag yun, yung skating. Diba, andyan siya, andyan pa rin siya dyan. Yan yung namin pag Friday, tahimik talaga. Nandyan lahat ng sasakyan dyan. Hindi pa yan yata lahat. Hindi lang yan dito. Hanggang sa likuran, sa looban, sa baba, doon. Doon sa kabila, doon din meron. Doon dami din dyan. Mga maliliit. Mamaya pag naglilinis na ako, tatakbo na yan. Huwag kang tumakbo, ingat-ingat ka na lang dyan, mag-i-enjoy ka lang, di naman kita gagalawin diba, ibon? Ibon, mag-i-stay ka lang kasi dyan. Hindi naman ako nang gagalaw sa'yo, maglilinis lang naman ako. Diba? Lagi yan sila araw-araw, siyempre kasi balkon, malayang lumipad, parang OFW journey, individual life that we have our journey while we are still living in this earth, diba? So like me, that is part of my journey of my YouTube channel, including of my YouTube channel, the YouTube company. Hello YouTube, how are you? To all families of my Madam Ansel, their friends, and to Celine, and to have the coming soon member of the family, and to my family, to my brother families, and my late brother families, ang kantoang kaninanay at saka ni tatay, buong mundo, ang mga some bloggers that you are still helping to me. Okay, thank you so much from the beginning until now, that you are still supported in mine, and some bloggers also, some of their subscriber and viewers, that they are still helping to me. Okay, so thank you very much, and mga more blessings at all. Okay, bye bye, God bless us all.